Thank you for visiting. In this video, I show you a simple steps to make this beautiful textured ring with a file. Oh, no, wait a minute. Excuse me, I got a little secret inside of the ring. Yes, as you can see, the ring has stamp initials of JM inside. Actually, I will show you steps to make so-called inner message ring. First, prepare a stick paper on a wooden mandrel. Draw guidelines for edges, center line, and this oval part. The oval part is approximately 1 cm by 7 or 8 mm. Take a small amount of A and B putty 50-50 mixed blue mixed silicone mold. Place it on the top oval part. Use 1.5 mm plastic strips on both sides, and roll it flat. Cut off excess part using a spatula or scraper. If you like square, you can leave it. I will cut all corners to make an oval this time. After the blue mix mold has been cured, roll art clay into 3 mm thick flat band. Attach one end of the clay on the oval silicone on the mandrel, and start wrapping it around firmly without making a gap. Overlap another end of the clay band on the oval silicone. Roll the clay between 3 mm plastic strips again to make it an even thickness. Cut off any excess clay on the sides. This time, shape it into a half-round design. Use wet fingers to rub the ring edge, and rotate the mandrel to shape. Okay. Rough design of the ring is finished, and dried enough. As you can see, the silicone is stayed inside the ring. Take it out with a tweezers, and smooth the ring by sanding. Now, you can see very smooth half-round ring after sanding. Use small alphabet mold to make desired letters with art clay. Check making steps in previous video. Maybe you can choose 2 initials of loved ones. Dry the initials, and make them ready to attach in the dent part. Apply Art Clay Silver paste in the dent part. Pick up and place dried letters with the tweezers. Important thing here is, you need to check direction of the letter. For asymmetric letter like J, you need to place it in reverse position, so that it will stamp on your finger in a right way. The inner message ring will leave a light stamping mark on your finger, even after taking it off for a while. It can be used as a good memorial, a reminder, or a hidden message of loved ones. How you will use this depends on your idea. Enjoy making your own inner message ring. Thank you for watching. See you again in the next video.